Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. In today's video, we are going to be doing the teaser of Luxton, which is the new residential launch in Wakad, which is located besides Indra School, Shani Mandir Road, Wakad, Pune, and developed by Sahil Properties. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the site, in which behind me is the sales office of the project, and in front of the sales office is the Shani Mandir Road. In this video, we are going to be discussing the below points, which is the project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But before I get into the project details, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with your developers, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing, and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, giving you the project's overview, the Luxton project will be constructed on 3 acres of land parcel comprising of 3 towers, and in those 3 towers, you will be getting 2 basements plus ground, plus 2 podiums plus 30 floors, which will be having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. As you can see, behind me is the land parcel of the project, which is just besides the sales office. Now, telling you about the location and the connectivity of the project, the Luxton project is located besides Indra School, Shani Mandir Road, Wakad, Pune. As you can see, in front of the sales office is the Shani Mandir Road, in which from the left side it connects you to Marunji, and from the right side it directly connects you to Mumbai-Bengaluru highway. इस लोकेशन में आपको कनेक्टिविटी मिल जाती है मुंबई बेंगलुरु हाईवे which is within 250 meters, Indira College which is within 1 kilometer and Phoenix Mall of Millennium which is within 3.3 kilometers. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं amenities के बारे में. The Luxton project has over 30 plus luxurious amenities such as rooftop aqua theatre, yoga deck, children's play area, gym, party lawn, pickleball court, and many more. Now, let me tell you about the carpet area. The Luxton project has 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies, in which you will be getting 2 BHK starting from 753 to 809 square feet, 3 BHK starting from 1027 to 1162 square feet, and 4 BHK which will be having 1457 square feet carpet area. Now, let us discuss the booking process. Project token window is now open, in which 51,000 is the gold token which is also refundable, and then there is diamond token which is for 1.5 lakhs. The clients can come and visit the site. Our sales team will help you with the complete project details along with the project's 3D model. We'll share with you the complete payment and pricing schemes, and we'll show you the actual location tour of the site. And then if the client likes the project, they can proceed with the token process. So everyone, this was the teaser of Luxton by Sahil Properties, which is located besides Indira School, Shani Mandir Road, Wakad, Pune. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com today.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.